To set clipboard in your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, so you can copy and paste text to other Galaxy devices. First, you have to enable continue apps on other devices option in your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connected devices, and then tap the gray on offset next to continue apps on other devices to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. To see how this feature works, open an app where you can copy some text. As the example, we will copy some text from a website that we open in Samsung Internet app. To do so, open a website in Samsung Internet app. Now, copy some text from here by tapping and holding the text to select it. Highlight the desired text you like to copy. And then select copy to copy the selected text to your clipboard. Now, prepare your other device that sign in with the same Samsung account you use in your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and make sure that the device has One UI 3.1 or later. Now you have to enable continue apps on other devices option in this phone. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connected devices, and then tap the gray on offset next to continue apps on other devices to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, make sure this one is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and also you have to enable Bluetooth. However, if you enable this option, it usually will automatically connect this one to the same Wi-Fi network and also enable Bluetooth. Once done, open an app where you can paste things. As the example, we will open Samsung Note. Create a new note. Next, open clipboard. You can see that the text you are copied before from your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is displayed here. To paste the copied text, you just need to tap it. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.